Good morning. How to do that. Anyway, guys, I wanted to bring this to you. The EMEET PIKO is this tiny little webcam, and it is freaking amazing. When I first turned this on and I put it up against my Pixie, now the Pixie is a great webcam. It's a pan tilt zoom camera. It is great for what it does. This Pico, though, this thing is nuts. Let me show you. I want to show you how fast this focuses. I don't have a studio light on at all. I have a ring light and then two key lights that are off back there. But the most thing that I have, maybe you can see in my glasses, there you go, is that ring light right here. It's just one. But that ring light is what is giving me this picture from this camera. I'm not going to tell you that it's going to replace the like DSLR mirrorless cameras or anything like that. That'd be nonsense. But if you're streaming, doing important meetings, if you're doing anything like that in the professional world, whether it's teaching a class, making tutorials, streaming video games, and you just want people to see your face, and it's clear because this does 4K 30, 2K 30, and 1080p 60, I believe. When I picked this up, this thing is so small.
That's what she said.
I couldn't believe the picture quality that came out of this camera. It's literally insane. I have no idea what EMEET is doing to get this kind of results out of these two little cameras. Now I understand one of them is AI driven. It helps with like the autofocus, make it fast. That's what the other one was in the Pixie. Let me just show you. Let me just show you this difference here. Bring up the sharpness just a little bit. Bring up this brightness a lot more. You bring in sharpness, you're bringing in noise. So keep that in mind. So I'm going to X out of this and I'm going to come back into OBS. This Pico is what you're seeing right now from EMEET. I'm going to turn on the Pixie as well. And I got to bring it above the Pico, looks like. There we go. All right. They're both clear. I would say they're both pretty clear. One maybe is a little cooler tone. The Pixie's a little cooler tone. The Pico, though, is like spot on. This thing is nice. And that's with adjustments. I don't understand how there can be this much of a difference with these cameras. That EMEET makes both of these, and they're both in the studio app that they provide. Like I said, the pan tilt zoom is great. It's clear. You can see it. Let me show you, make it bigger. You can see my, like, I take this medication that makes my skin break out. Long story. So this is what I look like most of the time. Fun times. But you can see how clear it is. And this is just the same lights. I'm not using any studio lights. It's just this key ring, this like, I think like 10-inch key ring light. And the two key lights are over on the wall over here. That's all I have for light source. So obviously then the accent lights in the back, but look at this. Look at the difference. I mean, one is maybe an inch higher from the base because the base of the EMEET Pixie to rotate and stuff is a lot thicker than just the Pico that's just sitting on the monitor stand there. But man, this looks good. Let me deactivate this. So I wanted to bring you guys this because I wanted to find, and I found some interesting things doing this because I wanted to do like a budget type, building a budget streamer setup. Obviously not the computer because that's you would already have, or PlayStation or whatever. But I was going to find lights. I was going to find a camera. I was going to get a headset. That video is very interesting. Controller, microphone, audio mixer, things like that, like your Stream Deck. I was going to do all that to find like a budget friendly streamer setup to get you started in streaming. Bought this Pico for $37.99 on Amazon right now. You can see that I did buy it there. August 1st is when I got it. $37.99. So that's what I bought it for. Didn't have a discount or anything. And this is the quality you get. you get a 4K camera. It has 3 mics on it. Now, this is what I'll do is I'll add an audio input so I can capture what the mics sound like for you. Hopefully it's muted. Hopefully that's muted. And now you should be able to hear me from the Pico microphone. I don't know what it sounds like. I have a little cooler going on in the background. This is just like where I make all my videos. There's nothing special done to this room. Just curtains, my things, and maybe you hear the hum of the PC. I don't know. Or the hum of the air conditioner back there. Other than that, this is it. Raw audio. Haven't touched anything. I just added it into OBS. And then now I'm going to turn this off. Unmute my microphone. There we go. Now, what I think is really cool is they have like a privacy screen, like the Pixie. You just face it downward, and it's pretty much it goes to sleep. This though, this one comes with like a little, pretty cute little camera cover, little panda. I think that's hilarious. That's what I took off in the beginning of the video. I just wanted to show you guys that it does have a privacy cover for $37.99. You can't beat this deal. This thing looks really good. I'll throw in some like clips that I was playing earlier. I was playing with one of my friends, and I had this as my like my me picture, I guess, in stream, sitting in the corner. You know, I wanted to show you that there's still a lot of different things, like from companies that you may not necessarily recognize right away. I have found some really interesting companies that are coming up that provide like really good product for very affordable prices. You can see like the noise in the background right here. It's going to happen. Like I said, I don't have a studio light on. It's just this light right here. I wanted to show you real world what it's going to look like. And most streamers are going to have, or most, like if you have Zoom meetings and stuff, you're going to have a light or two, obviously to illuminate you. Or if you're sitting by a window, you might have a window open, natural daylight, things like that. Everyone's not going to have a studio light on, or 15 different key lights and background lights and stuff like that. Background, maybe accent lights. Now let me turn the light here. All right, that's that full blast right there. And now you can see more. A lot of the noise in the background has dissipated just a little bit. This does a really good job with taking the light it has and using it properly. Bring it down a little bit. You can see how much it changed just with one notch. One more. And there it is again. Readjusts pretty good. The white balance does a decent job. So how about where we were sitting, right? But EMEET seems to be coming out with some really, really good stuff. This is their Pico. The Pico uses the same studio that the Pixie did. I'll show you right here. Go back here, and you're going to see in the background, if you have different cameras, you will have them both in the stock here. So you can flip it if you needed to. I guess you can do it when it's on. Let's go back. Let's see. Oh, it did. That's more accurate. That's okay. So this is how it would be like if you were streaming. That's how it would look like. Me in the corner, me in the spotlight, losing my religion. But as you see, it's 4K 30. You can go through these 720 30, 1080 30, 1080 60, 2K 30, 4K 30. Make a dark mode for this, because when you have this open to do stuff, this is so bright that it kind of changes the color on you. And those are all the different audio effects, I guess. Noise canceling. I guess we could try that. You know what? Let's try that. Mute that. Now you're hearing the microphones from the Pico. And now it should be noise canceling. And you should be able to hear what that sounds like. I don't know if it's going to sound weird or not. I keep talking to this mic like my mic's not picking up the audio. The Pico is. This is what it sounds like with noise canceling on. Here is going to be original sound. And that's what it's going to pick up for that. I don't know what that sounds like. I've never used this for microphones. but this gives you an idea if you need a mic for streaming, or if you're doing your meetings and you don't have a dedicated mic, you can use these, and this is what it would sound like. But I would think the noise canceling would probably be all right. Sometimes it makes it sound a little roboty. Normally it should be all right. Here's the live mode, the one that we used it on last time, just so you can hear. Back to noise canceling, just so you can hear. And then back to original, just so you can hear. Let me know what you guys think of that for this 3 mic array. But for $37.99, I think this is a great buy. I wanted to bring you guys this because it is such a great buy. I don't want you to miss out on it. I guess the Pico Plus has a little bit more stuff on it, but it's almost double the price for $37.99. And this guy's tiny. That's what she said. I wanted you to know that you have like these options where it's going to look good and not cost you a lot. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me. I enjoyed our time together. Hopefully I can bring you more cool stuff like this, but I got to go because my back hurts.